In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to the header on Wix. First, go ahead and open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all of your changes, and it gives you a live visual layout of your site so you can place everything exactly where you want it. Before you begin, it helps to have your logo file ready to upload. Ideally, use a transparent PNG or an SVG file, since those formats usually look the cleanest in a website header and blend nicely with different background colors. Once your site is open in the editor, head over to the left side menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This is the panel where you can insert different types of content onto your page, including images. From there, select Image so you can start adding your logo. Next, upload your logo file, if your file hasn't been added to Wix yet. Choose the Upload option and select it from your computer, depending on the file size and your connection. It may take a few moments to finish uploading, so just give it a little time. Once the upload is complete, click Add to Page. Your logo will then appear on the site canvas, where you can begin positioning it. Now drag the logo into the header area of your website. As you place it, pay attention to how it sits alongside your navigation menu and any other header elements. You want the logo to feel balanced and professional, not crowded or oversized. Use the corner handles to resize it, and try to keep the proportions consistent so the image doesn't get stretched or distorted. The goal is to make it clearly visible while still fitting naturally within the header layout. After the size and placement look right, the next step is to link the logo to your home page. This is a standard website practice and makes navigation easier for visitors, since many people expect to be able to click the logo to return to the main page. To do that, select the logo, then click the link icon in the floating action bar. Set the link type to Page, and then choose your home page from the list. Once that's done, your logo will not only appear in the header, but it will also function as a convenient home button for your site visitors. That's it. Thanks for watching.